In this video, I'll show you where to find promo code deals for Anthropologie. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Open up any web browser on your device and then go to Google and now type in promo codes for Anthropologie and then click search. And you got to spell it correctly to start off with. So if I scroll down the Google search results, you'll see Anthropologie coupon codes 30% off, Marie Claire, Real Time Not, coupons.com. These all offer different promo code deals and they change daily or weekly, so be sure to check any one of these sites out. But one I like to use is Coupon Follow. And now as you can see, I'm inside Coupon Follow, got 20% off, 10, 15% off, etc. So to activate any one of these deals, just simply click on the deal. And now from here, what you want to do is copy that code and now paste that code at the checkout section of Anthropologie to enjoy 20% off your purchase.